Alright folks, just another quick easy mod I'm doing on my Volkswagen Scirocco, which is painting the brake calipers and the carriers. I opted not to spray paint them, I just don't want overspray anywhere, so I use Hammerite and I just brush it on. The usual method of cleaning it up first with wire brush, emery paper, various grades, bit of methylated spirits. It's a long tedious job, stripping all the brakes and then waiting on paint dry. It's 4 hours between coats, this shit, but it's good shit. I quite like the colour of it, although it actually looks brighter on the camera here. That's them all built up again. That was a bargain job, $7.50 for a tin of paint. Already had thinners and brushes. Then a few hours labour, sorted. Blue calipers.